So we're gonna get right into the video. So today's video, I am doing a quick install on this unit I have here from Myfirstwig. Alright, so yeah, so before we get started with this video, I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage her. I'm gonna show you guys everything that came with this wig. So of course it came with a handy dandy wig stand. Y'all, I live for these with you guys. Ooh, y'all see this packaging? Look at that. That is so freaking cute. I'm being extra, so freaking cute. I love this. Into it. So it came with the little pouch. This pouch is so cute. I see their theme is pink and black. Comes with the little pamphlet, of course. It gives you all the instructions. Let me see if I can open it. It gives you all the instructions on how to take care of your hair, because I'm quite sure some of you guys don't know to the T, but this pamphlet here will help you set up the wig stand. And sis, it's litty. This company made sure it was very detailed. So poppin', y'all. Period. I love Red Town Combs, and it's got their name on it as well. So it also comes with 2 clips. I live for the hair clips. It also comes with the elastic band in case you need more security. I don't really use them. And it also comes with bobby pins. Now that's new. I never ever got bobby pins when it came down to, you know, my wigs. Oh my gosh, I just love this packaging, period. Like, this wig is going right back in here so we can take care of her. So included in the packaging, they did give me, of course, my order information. Also, it's very important, it does state on here, do not remove the lace if you're not satisfied with it. So don't go in there cutting it, all that jazz, you know? So, and they gave me a wig cap. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. I am taking the wig net off of her, or the hair net, I'm sorry. Alright y'all, so this is the wig. She is so freaking pretty. It doesn't have a smell to it at all. She is very nice. This is actually a Yaki texture. So yeah, the inches on this unit is gonna be 14 inches. As you guys can see, the hair color is a brown color, so it's dark roots and it's fading to a brown. The cap size on this unit is a 2. It does have the circumference on the unit. That way, if you're measuring your head, you can get the exact measurements. Of course, mine is a 22.5 when I measure my head, so that would be a cap size 2. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the construction of this unit. This is the inside and this is the construction of it. It does come with 2 combs, which is right here, and it comes with the comb in the back. It does also have drawstrings, which are on the sides as well. But I noticed that there is elastic band sewed in the inside. Okay sis, and it's like when it buckles, it reminds me of your bra straps, which is so freaking unique. That is definitely unique. I would never thought of that. But this will help you secure it, and this was what makes it glueless. Like, you really don't have to glue it down. Like I said, the unit that I got, it was a 6-inch deep part line glueless lace cap. So like I said, with this, it's just gonna lay it down. So we about to do that. Ooh, when I just put it on, just felt so freaking good. Okay, so let me go ahead and figure out. Oh, you can put it on this way. Okay, I see. So basically what I'm doing is taking the drawstring, where I'm gonna say the elastic band, and bringing it to the other side and securing it that way. Oh my goodness, I really like this unit. Also, this lace is pre-plucked, and I'm living for that. It's definitely pre-plucked. I'm trying to show you guys. Hope you guys can see that. Definitely. Sis, this hair feels so good. I love this texture of hair. Yo, what's so funny is I thought I was just about to cut my forehead, because this lace blended in so well I couldn't tell what was what. This is crazy. It's really crazy.
Alright, now so I'm going in with my 𝚘𝚘 hairspray, and I'm gonna go ahead and layer on down. You actually don't have to do this, but where I was gonna be out and about, and I know it's gonna be a little hot outside, so I just wanted to make sure I have extra security. Then want the wig, sliding off. So like I said, this is optional depending on where you're going, what you're doing, and things of that nature. So I'm gonna do this to the entire perimeter of my hair, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my scarf on just for about 10-15 minutes so she can lay down some more. Like I already said, this step's optional as well. This hair, shoot, it's already laid anyway. So I'm taking it off and I'm showing you guys what it looks like, and as you guys can see, it is freaking laid. I feel like the scarf just gives it that extra oomph so everything can come together, and I'm just parting it, just showing you guys how nice this lace is. And with the Yaki texture on top, sis, I'm feeling like $1 million. I'm always either dramatic or extra, I don't know why, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up just the part a little bit. I'm gonna add some foaming wrap lotion so the little flyaways I do see can lay down, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some baby hairs in it. I had to add the baby hairs just because how popping the hairline was. I'm like, yes, sis, we have to have the edges laid, and as you guys can see, it laid so freaking good. And on that edge brush, it's nothing but 𝚘𝚘 hairspray as well. So there you have it. So after we do that, we're going to put the scarf on again. Of course, like I said before, it helps lay down everything and bring everything together. Then I'm going to go ahead and run my flat iron through it. I'm using heat protecting spray, and this is by Beyond the Zone. And like I said in the previous clip, I'm using my foam wrap lotion just to put on the top to secure the flyaways. So that is pretty much it. For this part, I think I have my flat iron turned on 45. So yeah, this hair is so freaking bomb, y'all. I don't care. So yeah.
So here you all have it. This is the final look. I'm super excited and impressed with this wig. This wig has actually made it to #1 as my favorite wig so far. Everything was flawless, down from packaging to putting on the unit to styling the unit. It was very easy and it was very quick. It was very low maintenance. I love that it was already colored, okay? I can just put it on and actually go straight out the door. So I really am impressed with this company. Myfirstwig, y'all did this. This wig is absolutely stunning, beautiful, and it's TJ approved. So I didn't have any problems with it, you know, snagging or tangling on me. The only type of shedding I got was when I cut into the unit to fit my ear tabs. That's when I pretty much got the shedding, but otherwise than that, we are good to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.